Hey, I'm Heather Parady. I am the host of the Unconventional Leaders podcast, and I am an online business owner. So honored to share with you about my collaborations I've had with Tom and how kind and generous he has been with every interaction. Tom is a wealth of knowledge, and he has been so generous with me and also sharing with my audience about his experience in business and marketing and what he's been able to create online over these past several years. It's amazing. He also has a huge heart for this next generation, paying it forward, offering education that's unconventional, but setting people up for success. And I was so excited to hear that he wants to help military spouses find success through online digital marketing. I am a military spouse myself, and I can attest to not only the power of building something online, but also to how important it is to have these skill sets as a military spouse. I cannot recommend Tom enough. Again, he is so full of energy, he's so much fun, and he has so much wisdom to share. Thanks.